Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. As of February 2025, there is no collaboration between Hyundai and Maruti Suzuki on a vehicle named the A-Star. The Maruti Suzuki A-Star was a compact hatchback produced between 2008 and 2014, and it has been discontinued since then. Hyundai and Maruti Suzuki operate as separate entities in the automotive industry, each offering their own line of vehicles. However, I can provide an overview of the Maruti Suzuki A-Star, focusing on its main components and features, excluding the engine, along with its pricing during its production years. Exterior design. The Maruti Suzuki A-Star featured a modern and aerodynamic design, characterized by its compact dimensions suitable for urban driving. The front fascia showcased large, swept-back headlamps and a sleek grille, giving the car a youthful appearance. Body-colored bumpers and door handles were standard across various trims, enhancing its cohesive look. The rear was equipped with stylish tail lamps and a rear spoiler in select variants, adding to its sporty appeal. Interior features. Inside, the A-Star offered a dual-tone interior with options like black beige or black grey color schemes, creating an airy and spacious feel. The dashboard had a curved design with multiple utility spaces for storage. The instrument cluster was centrally mounted, providing easy visibility. Standard features included power steering, air conditioning, and front power windows. Higher trims offered additional amenities such as a music system with CD and USB support, steering-mounted audio controls, and keyless entry. Seating and comfort. The A-Star was a 5-seater hatchback with well-cushioned seats offering good lumbar and thigh support. The rear seats could be folded to expand the boot space, accommodating more luggage when needed. The driver's seat was adjustable, allowing for a comfortable driving position. Transmission and performance. While the engine specifics are excluded as per your request, it's noteworthy that the A-Star was available with both 5-speed manual and 4-speed automatic transmission options. The car was praised for its nimble handling, making it adept at maneuvering through city traffic. The suspension system, comprising MacPherson struts in the front and isolated trailing links at the rear, provided a balanced ride quality. Safety features. Safety was a key consideration in the A-Star's design. Standard safety features included driver-side airbags and an anti-lock braking system, ABS, with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, in higher variants. The car's structure was designed with crumple zones and side impact beams to enhance passenger protection during collisions. Pricing. During its production years, the Maruti Suzuki A-Star was positioned as an affordable hatchback in the Indian market. The ex-showroom prices in Delhi ranged approximately between A superscript 13.88 lakh and A superscript 14.73 lakh, varying based on the chosen variant and additional features. It's important to note that these prices were subject to change due to factors like taxes, location, and dealer-specific charges. Availability. As the A-Star has been discontinued since 2014, new units are no longer available. However, interested buyers can explore pre-owned options through certified used car programs like Maruti Suzuki True Value, which offers a range of inspected and certified used vehicles. Potential buyers are advised to check the availability of spare parts and service support for the A-Star, considering its discontinued status.